My old ratchet belt broke after 5 years of use. So today, I'm trying a new one. And it comes shipped to your door with everything you need to hold your pants up for many years to come. Inside the box, you have your instructions. A carbon fiber design belt buckle with a strong locking clasp, and then a carbon fiber design ratchet belt with perforated cut lines for sizes 32 to 38. To get started, cut your belt to the desired length, and then slide it into the end of the belt buckle. Then, firmly push the clasp down until it grips into the belt. And like that, your belt is ready to hold up some pants. Slide it through the belt loops, then slide the end into your belt buckle. Pull it through, and the belt clicks and holds into place. Then if you want to remove the belt, push and hold the side lever up, and then slide out your belt. This makes taking on and off your belt, as well as adjusting the size of your belt, super easy. Not only is it convenient, but it looks great too. I just love the carbon fiber design. This stylish belt is going to help pull together any outfit, and I'm loving it. In my experience, traditional belts will tear where the prong is holding the belt, but this ratchet design helps the belt last much longer and keep wear at a minimum. So if you're looking for a belt that looks great, is easy to adjust, and are able to cut it to make the perfect length, this ratchet belt might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I've got some pants to go hold up. See ya!